In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fields in Airtable, full walkthrough 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your base, rename and configure columns, and add the right field types so your data is clean, consistent, and easy to work with. Start by opening airtable.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you see any prompts for verification, complete those quickly so you can proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your recent bases and workspaces. This is a helpful starting point because it highlights what you've been working on, letting you jump back in without hunting around. Choose a base you want to update, or create one from scratch if you're starting fresh. Either option is fine. The process for customizing fields is the same once you're inside. Inside the base, you'll be in a table view that looks a lot like a spreadsheet. Each column here is a field, and every field can store a specific type of information. Think of fields as the foundation of your data. Picking the right types and names now will save you time later and reduce mistakes. To customize a field, double-click the column header to quickly rename it. Clear, descriptive names make a big difference. Use labels like company name, status, due date, or amount instead of generic titles. If you also want to change what kind of data the field accepts, open the field's customization options from the header and choose the type that matches your needs. For example, use single-line text for short labels, long text for notes, number or currency for amounts, date for schedules, single select or multiple select for controlled lists, checkbox for yes or no values, and attachment for files. If you switch a fields type, Airtable will try to convert existing data safely. Review the preview so you know how your records will change. When you need a brand new field, scroll to the far right of the table and click the plus button. You'll be prompted to pick a field type and name it. This is a great moment to think about validation. Dates keep timelines consistent, selects prevent typos, and numbers ensure calculations work. After adding it, you can adjust options like allowed choices, default values, or formatting. As you fine-tune your table, remember that Airtable saves changes automatically. Make small edits, check a few rows to confirm everything looks right, and keep your field names and types aligned with how your team actually uses the data. That's it. You've customized your fields in Airtable with confidence.